Hello and welcome to TNV Academy. Today we are discussing a critical topic for logistics, food and pharma industries. The practical steps to implement ISO 23412-2020 in your organization. This international standard focuses on temperature-controlled delivery services using thermal containers, especially for road-based transport. If you are involved in the safe movement of perishable goods like medicines, vaccines, dairy, meat, or seafood, this episode is for you. By the end of this session, you will understand exactly what needs to be done to align your business operations with ISO 23412 from initial assessment to full certification. Let's begin. Know the standard inside out. The first step is awareness. You must understand what ISO 23412-2020 actually demands. This standard defines requirements for the transportation of refrigerated parcels using non-mechanically cooled containers. It emphasizes aspects like temperature monitoring, hygienic handling, container validation, and personnel training. Take time to study the full document, either from ISO's official site or the licensed distributor. Break it down into key areas: infrastructure, people, processes, monitoring, and documentation. Remember, ISO 23412 is not just a technical standard, it is a complete quality framework for cold chain logistics. Build awareness in your team. The second step is spreading this knowledge across your organization. Create internal awareness sessions, conduct briefings for senior management, and assign a core team to lead the ISO 23412 initiative. Everyone from drivers and loaders to quality staff must understand why this implementation matters. Without organization-wide support, the implementation will fail to sustain long-term. Conduct a gap analysis. Before changing anything, conduct a gap analysis. This means reviewing your current cold chain operations and comparing them to the clauses of ISO 23412. Ask questions like, do we have written SOPs for delivery and container cleaning? Are temperatures tracked during every stage of transport? Are our thermal containers validated? Is our staff trained and competent? Document all areas where current practices do not meet the standard. This analysis will form the foundation for your implementation plan. Assign responsibilities and form a team. Form an ISO 23412 task force. Assign clear roles and responsibilities. A strong implementation team may include a project manager for overall coordination, quality control lead, fleet and logistics supervisor, training coordinator, documentation officer. Clearly defining responsibilities avoids confusion and speeds up implementation. Create and standardize documentation. ISO 23412 requires well-defined and documented systems. This is one of the most time-consuming yet vital steps. Develop SOPs for container handling, temperature checks, loadings, unloading, delivery handovers. Sanitation records for cleaning and containers and vehicles. Calibration protocols for thermometers and data loggers. Emergency procedures for when temperatures fall outside safe limits. Checklists and logs for inspections. Ensure all documents are version controlled, accessible to staff, and regularly reviewed. Train the workforce. People are the heart of this system. Train your staff on using thermal containers, correct loading practices, maintaining hygiene and sanitation, interpreting temperature data, responding to temperature deviations. Use a mix of classroom training, on-the-job demonstration, and simulations. Keep training records for audit purposes. Validate equipment and containers. ISO 23412 emphasizes the performance of thermal containers. Each container or vehicle must be tested and validated to ensure it maintains the required temperature for the duration of transport. Document validation results and keep them updated. If you are using third-party suppliers, ensure they provide validation certificates too. Begin full-scale implementation. Now that you have SOPs and trained staff, go live. Start full-scale operations under the ISO 23412 framework. Monitor each delivery, use temperature loggers, record inspections, maintain cleaning logs, implement corrective actions when needed. This stage typically runs for 1 to 3 months to collect performance data and ensure stability. Conduct internal audits. Internal audits are essential to check whether your system is working. Audit all components, document compliance, staff awareness, container hygiene, temperature logs, non-conformance handling. Use internal auditors who are trained on ISO 23412 or engage a third-party consultant for this step. Raise NCRs, that is non-conformance reports, and implement corrective actions. Hold a management review. Hold a formal meeting with top management to review the findings from internal audits. Discuss gaps found, improvements made, training needs, risk assessments, readiness for external audit. Document the meeting outcomes as part of your ISO records. Select a certification body. Choose a recognized certification body. Make sure they are accredited under ISO 17021, experienced in ISO 23412 or logistics auditing, transparent in cost and scope. Submit your application and schedule the audit dates. Undergo certification audit, Stage 1 and Stage 2. The audit has two stages. Stage 1, document review. Are your procedures in place and aligned with ISO 23412? Stage 2, on-site verification. Inspectors will visit your facilities, accompany delivery routes, interview staff and review real-time data. Prepare all documentation, test data loggers and brief your staff before the audit. Achieve certification and celebrate. If your system is compliant and the auditors are satisfied, you will be recommended for ISO 23412-2020 certification. Display your certificate proudly on your company website, marketing brochures and delivery vehicles. It is a mark of excellence and compliance. Maintain and continuously improve the system. Certification is just the beginning. Now you must continue internal audits, conduct refresher training, update documentation as needed, monitor customer feedback, prepare for surveillance audits annually, make ISO 23412 a living system, improving constantly with operations. Avoid common mistakes. Avoid these frequent errors, not validating thermal containers, using outdated SOPs, failing to calibrate thermometers, ignoring internal audit results, neglecting driver training. Prevention is better than cure. Track compliance metrics regularly. And now the conclusion. Road to excellence. Congratulations, you now have a complete roadmap to implement ISO 23412 in your organization. Remember, successful certification isn't about just ticking boxes. It is about protecting your product integrity, customer trust, and public health. Thank you for watching this full-length session for ISO training, consultation, or guidance. Stay connected with TNV Academy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more such insightful content. And I, Akanksha Mishra, will see you in the next session of TNV Academy.